So next, we want to show about process model. We use V model in our project. The first step is business requirement, then acceptance testing. After that, we do system requirement and then system testing and do high level design. And next to integration testing, low level design, and also unit testing. And last, we use the coding or we do coding to make our project or to finish our project process model. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amidila Perudi Nasir. I'm from group 2. This time I want to show you about the login use case. The first precondition we have that user who have entered the main page. The first step, the new user start the register use case. And then the system display the register interface. The second, the user fill in the register details, which are email, password, and retype password. Then system show the form that requires user to fill in. So there are two exceptions here. The first is invalid emails input and the second invalid retype password. The third, because we have the login use case, the third is the new and old user go to the login. And then the system display the login interface. And next, the user fill in the login details, which are email and also password. Then the system show the form that requires user to fill in. An exception here, they are the incorrect or invalid email and also password incorrect. The last step, the user click the login button, and then the system show the login is successful and display the order interface. And then the use case for login is end. The post condition we have that the system indicates the next step, which is the order kurban item interface. And this is our interface design. This is for the first main page. And then the customer click login button. And then the login page, it's look like this. Then the customer may type his or her email and also password and then click login. And this is for our prototyping. Like this, our prototyping. Then we can begin with click the login or sign up button. Because we have already we have member or account, just click login. Then login with email and we click our email or our customer email. And its password. Then login. And then this is the finishing from our step in a login use case. And the page will show the order information after this. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Husna bint Nizam and I'm the member of Group G. Now I want to explain about the use case specification for order korban item. The precondition for this use case is user registered and login her or his account. For the first step, the user start the order use case. Then the system.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Badria binti Monadi, metric number 1719890. I will talk about the third use case, which is generate report use case. It conducted by staff and separate by manager and agent. Okay. Use case specification generate report. The objective is to control all the transaction and orders that customer have made, and user and actor that use it is staff used to generate report about transaction and korban report. Precondition: the staff log in into their account before they can view the transaction and korban report. This is the basic flow. The first basic flow is the staff start the transactions report use case, which is the system action. The system will display the transaction report interface. We can see from user interface UI transaction report here. And the second step is the staff click on the table customer transaction and system action. The system display the table of all customer information who already made a payment. The third step, the staff click one of the customer detail and the system display the information of one customer information. The fourth step, the staff click the confirm button to notify the confirmation of payment of customer, and the system will display the successful of transaction report. The fifth step, staff will go to the korban report, which is here. The system will display the korban report interface. Sixth step, the staff clicks on the table customer order report. The system will display the table of all customer information who already made an order. The seventh step is the staff clicks one of the customer details and the system will display details on one of the customer who already made an order. The eighth step is the staff clicks the receive order button and the system will display orders invoice. And last step, the staff click the button to send the order to the agent and system will notify the agent involved with the korban that the korban will be implemented at their area, and post condition the system will print out the general report. Now we will see the prototype of the system. Firstly, we will put the staff ID and the password. After we log in, it will generate to the transaction report. This one we can see all of the information of the customer that already made a payment. So we will go to Jamila binti Saad and we open the information. This is the transactions report of Jamila bin Saad, and then we will click the receive button and the data added successfully. After that, we click the OK button and it will take us to order report, which is we already have the name of Jamila binti Saad and the korban items that she orders, location in Malaysia, date of korban that she want to implement 25/9/2018, and the agent. We will display the ID agent that will implement the korban, and the status. We will send the information to the agent, and after we click the send, we already have invoice order. This one is the agent A12345 Adil bin Archie, and it will say successfully send the information to the agent, and we will click OK. And that's all for use case specification for generate report. Thank you.
Displays the interface of order page. The second step, the user fill in the order information like name, IC, phone number, email, address, country. Then, the system represents the selected country to perform the korban, like in Malaysia or in needy countries like Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, and Myanmar. Then, the third step, the user click the Order Now button. The system shows the confirmation about the address. Then, after that, the user chooses the korban item, which is portion of cow. Then the system displays the korban choices and the price of each. Like a cow, 2,100 ringgit, a goat 600 ringgit, and portion of cow is 350 ringgit. For the fifth step, the user chooses a portion of cow. The system represents the number of portion that user can select. The sixth step, the user clicks button of the confirmation detail. The system shows the confirmation about the data. Then the last one is the user ends the order of korban page. The system shows the confirmation is successful. The post condition for this use case is the order success. Now I want to show the user interface for order information, the payment method, and the confirmation slip. Now, this is our prototype for order information. I already filled in the order information. Now I click order now. Then this is korban item, a portion of cow, goat, and a cow. In this case, I want to buy cow. Then I click add to chart. Then viewing. Then I want to buy 2 cows. So the subtotal for 2 cows is 4,200 ringgit. Then I click checkout. So this is the payment method. Now I need to fill in the customer detail, the first name, last name, and phone number. Then I click continue. The second one is review and place order. I click the place order. And then this is the receipt for my order today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Satriati Afikah binti Abdul Rahim and my metric number is 1810228. Today I'm going to talk about use case specification managed staff, which is the fourth use case in our project. This use case is that staff can check whether the applicant is qualified to become an agent in another country or not. As you can see, the precondition is the applicants for a new agent go to Korban's website. And for the basic flow, you can see that the first step, the applicant start the agent's intake use case. The system display agent's form page. The applicant clicks on sign up button. The system display agent registration form details such as name, email, telephone number, address, branch, message optional. And the third one is the applicant clicks apply for the new agent button. The system shows a successful received message to notify applicant that their request will be considered. And the fourth use case is the staff in charge click at the applicant's informant. The system will display the applicant's information. Next is the staff click accept button. The system will generate the result and send it in the applicant's email. The last one is the managed staff use cases, and the system successfully received new agent. As you can see here, this is the user interface for the form. Name, email, telephone number, address, city, country, which is Cambodia or Thailand, and message is optional. And then there is a button submit and cancel. After you click the submit button, this page will be displayed. And the next user interface is for the staff. The staff can accept or reject the applicant's form. And for the next one is for the prototype. We're using Wix for the prototype. Click on at our agent and click at the sign up button. This is for the agent's registration. So you have to fill all this form and then click apply. Kasim. So this is the example of the agent registration. After you click the button apply, the system will display that your registration has been successfully received by the Cowbank company. Our team will contact you as soon as possible. Thank you for your cooperation. Then for the staff, click on the staff button. Enter ID, password, then a branch number. Log in. This is the staff interface. As you can see, the new applicant's form has been sent to the staff. Click the read button. As you can see, all the information here are from before. So the staff can accept or reject the button. So if the staff accept the application, click the accept button and this form will display. Your answer has been sent to the applicant's email. For the test case, as you can see, the first test step that I use is navigate to application for a new agent page. Actual result applicants is navigated to application for a new agent page. Status pass. Second is fill in the form for a new agent application. Test data does not fill in address. The third one is click on the submit button. Test data, the confirmation button is clicked. Expect the result, the applicants should be able to go to the next page. And the actual result is display pop-up that says please fill in all the information you did. Status fail. Post condition is applicants unsuccessfully submit the form. The second test case is the to navigate to application for a new agent page. Applicant is navigated to application for a new agent page. Status pass. Second, fill in the form for a new agent application. Test data, fill in all the information needed. Third one, click on the submit button. The submit button is clicked. Actual result display pop-up that says, "Thank you, your information has been sent to the person in charge, so status is passed." Post condition is applicant successfully submit the form. That's all from me. Thank you.